Going to bed, well, it's going to be 50s, 60s as you're venturing out the door early tomorrow morning, 40s and 50s for our friends in the high country. So a mild night, that means a mild day. 80s and 90s out across the eastern plains, 60s, 70s for the high country. The big difference tomorrow, a bit more widespread showers and thunderstorms. So any outdoor plans, I'm going to show you the day planner, but noon is a good cutoff if you don't want the chance, at least, for some of these showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be noon and before that where you're still in the 70s and 80s. It's a warm start. Get out, do any errands, whatever it may be, because big changes, they will be brewing. This is what we are looking at. Much of I-25, you're in level 1 out of 5 with the greatest threat, as you would expect, out across the far eastern plains. Already a few things here. Level 1, that's our green shaded area. That's large hail up to about 1.5 inches in diameter and damaging winds, 60-mile-per-hour gusts. But you do jump Fort Morgan north and east, that's where there will be some spin in the atmosphere. So any tornado potential stays well to the north and east, but I-76, you don't want that in your travel plans for tomorrow. Let me time it out for you. 12 to 3, a lot of our individual cells, they're just beginning to pop up. 3 to 5, that's when it's looking at least now. I-25 has the greatest chance for some of this severe weather. Watch as it moves up to the north and east. Fort Morgan to the northeast corner, it is looking nasty for tomorrow. Run after run, that is what we're seeing. Okay, we get through tomorrow's severe weather. We go overnight Monday into Tuesday. A big slug of moisture, moderate to heavy rain. It clears before the morning commute, but there could be some urban localized flooding for your Tuesday morning. That's a lot of information we just threw your way. Monday, tomorrow, that's going to be a first alert weather day as we watch for the possibility of severe storms. And then Monday night into Tuesday, we will be watching a cold front move through. Temperatures, they plummet Tuesday and Wednesday with some rain in the forecast overnight for Tuesday. Don't go anywhere. We've got a lot more news. It's all headed your way after the break.